The Dreo Smart Fan is a sophisticated and highly versatile floor fan designed to deliver a comprehensive cooling experience for any room in the home, particularly the bedroom, where quiet operation is paramount. Its defining feature is its unique 120 degrees plus 120 degrees omnidirectional oscillation, a technical marvel that allows the fan head to rotate not only side to side, but also vertically, creating a truly three-dimensional airflow pattern. This dual-axis movement ensures that cool air is distributed throughout the entire space, effectively eliminating hot spots and stagnant air corners, making it far more effective than traditional single-axis oscillating fans. The fan's modern and minimalist design, supported by a sturdy pedestal, complements contemporary home decor, while its substantial height allows it to project air over a significant distance, living up to its 90-foot airthrow claim. Operation is effortlessly customizable to suit any preference or time of day, thanks to an impressive array of 9 distinct speed settings and 6 pre-programmed modes. Users can choose from gentle breezes for nighttime use to powerful gusts for rapid cooling, with modes like natural wind that simulate the unpredictable flow of outdoor air, or sleep mode that intelligently reduces speed and noise throughout the night. The inclusion of a subtle RGB light ring is a thoughtful bonus, providing just enough soft illumination to serve as a gentle nightlight without being disruptive. This level of control is seamlessly managed through multiple methods, including a convenient magnetic remote that stores neatly on the fan's body, a user-friendly smartphone app, and full compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant for complete hands-free voice-activated command. A cornerstone of the Dreo Smart Fan's design is its exceptionally quiet performance, operating at a whisper-quiet noise level as low as 20 dB on its lowest setting. This makes it an unparalleled choice for light sleepers and bedroom use, as it provides a constant stream of cooling air without the disruptive hum or whir associated with many other fans. The smart functionality is deeply integrated, allowing users to create schedules, activate timers for up to 8 hours, and adjust every setting from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you are already in bed and want to change the mode without getting up, or on your way home and want to cool down the living room in advance, the Dreo app makes it incredibly simple and reliable. While the Dreo Smart Fan excels in many areas, it is not without its minor drawbacks. Some users might find the highest speed settings, while powerful, to generate a noticeable amount of wind noise, which is typical for any fan moving a high volume of air, but may be slightly at odds with the otherwise silent branding. The RGB lighting, though a nice feature, is relatively basic and offers a single color at a time without advanced effects, which may not appeal to those seeking vibrant smart lighting. Furthermore, the initial setup and connection to various Wi-Fi networks and voice assistants, while generally straightforward, can occasionally require a second attempt for a successful pairing. In conclusion, the Dreo Smart Fan stands out as a premium, feature-rich pedestal fan that successfully merges powerful cooling performance with intelligent home integration and remarkably quiet operation. Its omnidirectional oscillation is a genuine game-changer for air circulation, and its multitude of speeds and modes ensures there is a perfect setting for any situation. The minor cons are greatly overshadowed by its core functionality, build quality, and smart convenience. For anyone seeking a modern, effective, and ultra-quiet cooling solution that can be controlled by voice, app, or remote, the Dreo Smart Fan is an exceptional investment that elevates the humble floor fan into a central part of a smart home ecosystem.